Welcome to Eden View Living, where I do everything home and garden. So, I've been renovating my garden now for about 1.5 years, and you're all free to come along and join and see the progress that I've made so far. I also enjoy doing some other various DIY crafts around the house. But, guys, meanwhile, I'm going to show you the state of my garden in February. I'm just so enjoying the flowers that are now starting to pop up, and I'm looking forward to the gardening season. So if you haven't subscribed, you're all free to come and join me on my journey as I work to make my garden beautiful.